Ona thengia wa thirikari kweheria imwe ya mikana ya kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19, Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe naugite kuri na uhotekeku wa gututhuka kwa muthemba mweru wa COVID-19 kwona kuri na mabururi gitaro-ini kia Afrika mambiriirie kwandikithia arwaru a muthemba uyu mweru.
The statistics we are getting globally from China, also from parts of Africa, including South Afrika, we can see the possibility. The possibility is always there of another variant, of another virus attack coming to our nation.
Akiaria mwena wa Kitengela hindi ya kwamukira ngari cia guteithiriria hari uheyani wa njanjo, Mutahi ni augite bururi wa Kenya nduhotete gukinyaniria muoroto wa gukorwo uheyanite njanjo gicunji kia 70 hari igana kia andu agima guku bururini.
We have only vaccinated about 30% of our population when we should be at 70% by June of this year. And as you can see, the statistics we are getting.
Kagwe ne ugite guku bururini kuri na njanjo cia kuigana ona thengia ya Kenya gukorwo na witikio wate murimu wa COVID-19 ni uthirite.
Because people have decided for themselves that COVID is finished. Somehow, we have decided that it is finished, and having decided that, then the Serum Institute of India is having issues with its vaccines. But even here in Kenya, we continue to have the challenge of vaccination, particularly for COVID-19.
Maya mokite oriri aciari aria mari na ciana icereirwo ni kwamukira njanjo itiganite kwa muhiano ta njanjo ya githuku na njanjo ya HPV moritio gutigirira ni mamatwara kwamukira njanjo icio niguo kwaga kumaiga ugwatini wa kunyitwo ni mirimu.
Hari airitu igana ni airitu 41 aria makoretwo magicanjwo njanjo iyo, na haria cio ri kuria mwe macajirwo ya mbere na maciathire ya keri, na koguo ri nigetha tutikaie thutha-ini kana nigetha iritu itu matuika atimia matikaiyukagia na murimu wa cancer, niguo turauga ati ni wega mathii magacanjwo kahinda-ini gaka. Undu umwe noguo ri kuri na njanjo cia measles iria icanjagwo ciana, ukona ati iyo ntugeretie kidogo tondu njanjo cia measles rubella hari andu igana rimwe ni andu ni ciana 48 irakorwo icanjitwo, no nitwagie ni guthii tutindike nginya ikinye 90 hari igana.
Kaunti ya Nyamira niwe togoretie hari uthecani wa njanjo mithemba ngurani guku bururini, guku kaunti ya Nyeri igitongoria hari uria kaunti ithecanite njanjo ya COVID-19. Kagwe ni orite ya Kenya kuthii na mbere na mutugo wa gwithamba moko kwona kuri na mututhuko wa murimu wa korera mwena wa Kamukunji guku kaunti ya Nairobi.
Even if we do nothing else, can we at least maintain washing hands and sanitizing? Even that, just that.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Returakano wa Jiro wa Foro.